I'm Matt Moore. I'm based in Charlotte, North Carolina, originally from Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm here completing a fellowship with Carolina Center for Oral and Facial Surgery, looking to learn and have a constant desire for learning, and I want to experience and learn new things. This is a great course to meet other clinicians and practitioners who may have different philosophies and can introduce you to different techniques, and as well as the technology that comes in with the course. It's just a great opportunity to continue to learn. Favorite part of the course is always interacting with other practitioners, maybe seeing how something's done in their city or state. I always think that's an interesting piece. May have trained in a different area, and so you get new perspective. I've been to cadaver courses, but this is the first full arch cadaver course I've been able to go to, which is a great experience because it kind of aligns with what we're doing right now in private practice. This is, what we use the term as a hot topic, very relevant. So I think it's one of the more relevant private practicing cadaver labs I've been a part of. I'll definitely be back for this learning experience to meet other people. Yeah.